byange oli mugiheadinga you plotting my arrest ogamba nti tuli mu mulukiro Olukwe. If anything, if I wake up one day nemusanga nti waliwo aba KCCA abaze maybe ne bankwata omanyi KCCA mbwe ine kooti yaayo bw'olukwata bakuteeka mu kooti they use that advantage bwe bakwata bakuteeka mu kooti yaabwe ne bakusomera omusango they remand you. If anything like that ever happens, I want my fans to know there is a guy and
KCCA
yes uploading bino mwaba bakulira ebintu ebyokukolagana n'okuleekaana simanya noise biki
noise pollution
so I hope I know kano kajja mutukako naye nze sikuinaako buzibu blood wange but I know that I know your plot.
There's a plot.
Yes, I know your plot and what you're planning.
And about we're almost getting done with this like wasenguka baneba mbutonga
nedda munaina kizuula baneba bange bajja ne bangamba waliwo ekiwala ku nyumba yaffe kyasenguka n'osenguka
Bruno zise
waliwo ekiwala kiwala gwe balyoka ne bakugoba landlord yakugoba
kyali kiwala kimu nze nali manyi the whole ganged up nenga bakati
it wasn't all of them. Bambi abalala they came and told me we don't have any problem with you by the way they did tell me. However waliwo ekiwala ekyakubiranga landlord wange simu n'ennyumba kyazivaako landlord yakigoba balyoka ne bakugoba kiwala gwe waliyo ndeetako olugezigezi olaba doli niwobeerawo ng'oyagala omuntu bamukola ekintu
ate gwe nekikutuukako
kakiringa ng'oyogayi wa KCCA ali mu kumplotingira olaba nga tonaba kumplotingira kunsiba ebyo byoplotinga gwe bagenda okusooka okugoba mu office katonda bw'atyo bw'akola ekiwala kiri kyakubira landlord wange simu bunkireekaanira sikukolanko kintu kyonna sina kyogera naawe omuntu ajaga nti wakikwana mukazi mufumbo simukwananko sikumanyi obeera n'omusajjawo onaatuleekaanira nina manya ne bakigoba ku nyumba kyakola landlord ekibi n'akigoba tolaba wali oyagala bangobe gwe gwe baasooka okugoba oshigira kati I made peace with my neighbors.
So neighbors we are fine now.
Balyoka ekiwali kyo ne bakigoba kyali kinfukidde ekizi
balyoka ne bakugoba omanyi bane neighbors naffe batufuukira obuze nkuteekera that's why nakanyi ba neighbors bangi nange I've ganged up with Bruno.
So that's it. You can be plotting something bad for someone.
Nenga ate mukama.
Katula boli yala yagala bangobe ku nyumba.
Yes.
Bayininga mugayego bagobye. Kama is a bitch.
Yes, it is.
That same guy in KCCA who is plotting for my arrest.
You never know what will happen tomorrow.
Tomorrow they're going to replace you in office before you even plot something against because God knows.
Exactly. He knows and he sees someone's heart.
Wano kumulangira interiors ebyo betukola furniture webbe furniture wa class kwayagala enyumba ebere furnished enyume bulungi nnyo tukuwe ku magezi ga interior designing enyumba yeveyo bulungi obere ne space eri majestic eri magnificent at affordable prices tukirire
Mulangira Interiors.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple.
There you go. I like color. Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Love Live and on my YouTube channel during the Sasira. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting. Abasalama muntu mwebale. And today, for the second time, in how many years I've brought Bruno K again.
I say Bruno.
When I say banga dini, miyako baby, your base. I don't remember miyake. What do you want?
Yeah, very good. Just because up and down. Up
and down. You're a busy person. I can see on social media.
I know. Yeah.
It's like she did every day or once. I get confused sometimes.
I think now it doesn't keep me busy. What keeps me busy is I have a lot of responsibilities. I have a lot of engagements. I have a lot of tasks. Yeah. One, I joined business. Two, I started acting.
You did?
I do act. With Loving Beyond for DSTV. And acting quite takes a lot of time. Nowadays, I didn't know when we are.
You know, bitaka no kutu nageza kwa tutingi ne bigana.
Acting is not easy. You can go a whole day ngamuli shooting. And then I don't know what you want shooting. And
but take one, take two. I know.
I'm shooting the way this would be sad. Acting
Simwanga, you know, I tell you know, cramming a script.
Yeah. So, but again, you need to challenge yourself.
Yes.
You have to challenge yourself and try different new things. Yeah, but we give thanks at this.
To God, yeah, I do, and then congratulations upon your new gig. Yeah, brand ambassador, yeah, Chief Pichi.
I influence for TVS.
TVS.
Era muri muntu ngoli yogura pichi ya TVS. Sina pichi ya FMPA 5G. Yesinga mu Africa.
Oh.
Yeah, like tewali muntu yakoze pitching yaffe. Ezinga brand ze muri atiri atwenkana kubanga. Pichi yaffe duke emisinde. I don't talk about okuduka emisinde. Nungi if your consumption. If your kubiri pichi yaffe wanna push
to start pitching. Siche sumuluzo.
In electric start. In electric start. So pichi yaffe akabi ya 5G. Ina carry nene stura so ebintu nga bingi ko sura omuntu n'ebintu era bingi sokaryayo nene so pichi yaffe yakabeera 5G mugittanire. Yes.
Kibanja mpola, right?
But like you can, tulina ezaalooni so okwayo emitwalo nga 6 n'otandika okusasula plan y'okusasula.
Okay. Ate munange nagambe kankuleeteko tawanyeemukko, it's been a while.
And I
love the fact that for you're always point blank. Katinga, I wanted to find out, did you finally sort out your baby mama drama? Were we sorting out of Baby Charlie? You're still, you know.
I was talking about because
you proposed to one of your ex-baby mamas, your name that came up. I know. So with all that you've gone through, would you still go for a single mother?
There's nothing wrong with single mothers.
But why do men find, why do they always say they think they're so entitled? But I don't think all single mothers, in my mind anyway.
I don't think single mothers have issues. It's just you would meet a person with specific challenges. For example, you will find a man who has dated a girl, it's the same thing with single mothers. There's so many good single mothers out there.
Sure.
Yeah. So just some people land on the wrong ones.
I know. And then
they end up generalizing every woman like that. But one thing I know, and I understand it because I've dated single mothers, I know. There are those single mothers who never move away from their baby daddies. Yeah, I've dated one of those, like they were doing well. The baby daddy, the father of the kid came back in the picture and she started acting funny. And she was telling me this guy treated me bad and this and that, you understand? But then me, I was trying to build something good. But when the guy came back, there are those who have not moved away from the baby daddies. Sure. The baby daddy what did on that? But those are few. They're not all of them. They're ready to move on. True. They're single mothers, but they're ready to move on and they're happy. One thing I noticed about single mothers, Joanna would do one nonsense. Yeah, like for real. If you come into her life, she doesn't want you to start nonsense or drama because she already has enough drama. Yeah. So if you're chasing, you get. They are chasing on such they need somebody who is, if you're ready to be in the life of a single mother, you're gonna taking her on, you're gonna put her as a father, these kids, so if you're not ready for that, don't come in a single mother's life. No, you understand? Yeah.
As a father, you have to
take care of them like you cannot come into a woman's life. You've found her with 2 kids. And you acting like that's not right. You're never gonna win that woman's heart 100%. So you need to love her kids and then also love her. Yeah. So that means that's gonna make you a dad. We know that dad Nibo muzalamu abaana obomu. Musanga n'abaana babiri bonna abaana bo you have to pay fees for them.
Yeah.
What you buy for your kid is what you buy for these kids. Don't say kyateka kyabo daddy waabo abagulira ekitegeezo ojja kuleetera omukazi ogenda wa daddy waabo okubanja fees ekyate mutandika okuyomba lwaki
ogendayo ennyo
okoze biki ya
Kadibun, if your ex invites you for a wedding, would you attend? In all honesty,
like,
you wouldn't mind.
Their exes, I don't have issues really. Like I don't.
I'm a jealous person. I don't think I would.
Because you've not moved on.
Really?
Yeah.
I'd be thinking that I don't want to be, I don't want to be in your space anymore.
Personally, when I'm done with somebody, I'm done for real, and I walk away. Means Jagala knew like I'm a lover. During I can love someone for Ninkwagala and you even feel like guy on and at the moment I'm done with you, that's it. I'm done like anybody else.
No more
like I moved on. So that means even if you invite me for your wedding, I will come.
You'll still come?
Mm-hmm. I'll come and attend and sit. But if I have a good call, I need to one sign of you moved on.
Yep.
Is that desire is not being
yeah, true.
We're moving on. Yes. But if you move on, heal, that means you can even attend a wedding by that if that person is getting married.
Yeah.
It's like the people I look at from my person, I'm like, what are you fighting on? I know you understand.
After you heal.
Yeah. So once I move on, that's it.
When I fall in love stupidly. When I'm done. That is Musiba. You know, co-parenting, how do you find co-parenting? In all honesty.
Co-parenting.
Challenges.
Co-parenting, if you meet a stupid parent, I call it a stupid parent.
Oh no, you've used the word stupid.
Yeah.
Really?
Now let me tell you why I've used the word stupid.
Why have you used the word stupid?
Co-parenting is not easy if you find a stupid parent. A parent who chooses their needs over the needs of the child. You get? You know, like a weapon.
Oh, like a bait, eh?
Yeah, those are the ones that call stupid parents. You get? There are those who want to cope. For example, instead of focusing on the well-being of the kids, how are we going to take care of these kids? That's what I'm calling stupid.
That's the stupid.
Because as a parent, you're supposed to sacrifice everything for this child. That means even letting go of a lot of things. Yeah.
I've had men actually like you love your child, but then this woman makes you hate your own child. And because we are men, they think we're not supposed to speak out.
No, they don't hate their kids.
What happens then?
I think those, because I've been with friends a lot of people share with me things.
Yeah.
Wanga, Zinsanga inboxing, I advise a lot of
men, yeah?
Men and my fans, like both women and men, they come to my inbox for advice.
Wow.
But chances whatever is making co-parenting difficult. For example, maybe mama omwana oba yanyigira tata omwana ara omwana muto esimu gye bakozesa yaabwe asikulinga mbono ndikola interview but siri mu bakwata because ndi mukola interview bano wankubira amasimu gaabwe mukomo ali yalina okukimanya. Yeah, so we have to understand. See, because yeah. So
you always advise them to.
Yeah, I always advise them to, be mature.
Yeah.
Always put the kids first before yourselves. Yeah, that's what I always tell people to do. Just a second. But in the interview, yes, no, hello? Until you interview, you know, customer interview.
Okay. Yeah. So, Manager Gamba, sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. So, Manager Gamba, one thing that parents should know is always choose the kids if you want to compare it.
Choose the kid. I know. Nemwerangire ebyekisiru bimanyi.
But I think there are people who have zero energy for drama. At minimum, abasajja going through drama with a woman, he would rather look at you.
Baira no mugoba nakutunuulira.
He would rather look at you and I'll be how far you're gonna go.
Oh, he distances himself.
Yeah,
Nagamba kandare.
there are people abako nga balina nchala.
I know.
Like, kati nyange wano when to Doreen, I don't have energy for drama, you know.
So you bring it in front of me.
When somebody starts drama, I first pull up and then look at them to sort themselves with their drama. See now we go, but like I got a lot of things going on.
I know.
To start pulling ropes.
I know with someone.
At the end of the day, I expect parents to make best decisions for a child. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Watwali ku live yekibuuzo that time watu wagamba nti you men temukkirizanga ekigambo kya safe days nengamba what happened to Bruno.
No, nothing happened.
But men have told you about what they are going through.
Nothing happened to me. I just advise men.
You want to listen to the safe days.
Nobody is accurate with counting safe days. That's what I'm saying.
It is true.
So
But because of our hormones,
the best way is going for the right family planning methods like protection, contraceptives. I wouldn't say withdraw. Or just
So Bruno, you're telling us about co-parenting, like you said one more abasajja abatebaagala like yourself wagamba
me,
otunula butunuzi n'ogamba mani ekiteke.
if somebody tries to get in between the well-being of a kid, for example, you're fronting your own personal issues and the issues of the child, usually I step back a little bit. For example, myself, I discovered, I usually I found someone who mediates. I don't want to drag me into, I would find myself having my phone calls being recorded on the internet because someone is using me as a public figure. And then I ended up finding a friend who is an in-between. I reach out to them. If I need something, if my kid needs anything, then
you also go for
that friend of mine brings my kid to me, then I see my kids there because it's just because I don't want to communicate, but I'm trying to avoid drama in between. Yeah.
I know this. So let's talk about some things. You remember this? You're saying that you're advising men because they have different bodies, which is true, hormones.
Yeah.
And I said the other singer, let's say into that trap. Maybe you told me that yourself. What happened?
Safe days, it's you cannot get it. I think this one because what my friends the doctors have told me. It's very difficult for a woman to be 100% accurate about safe days.
Very true.
However, you can go for better family planning methods, like use of condoms, contraceptives.
IUD plans.
Yeah, something like that.
They have such a withdrawal. That is something that stays back in my mind. What do they call it as family planning methods? And they're proud about it.
There are men who have mastered that art. But it's also not safe. Like it can't be safe 100%. There are the mistakes of yeah, so it's better to go for the other ones.
You are lying. You confirm. You say no more questions. Until what? There's something you say to live vegetarian.
No, what I said was, like when you're younger and what will you do?
A lot of mistakes.
No, I wouldn't call them mistakes. You experience things that you experience things as a young guy. especially because I use it like if I'm focused, that's what I'm going to do.
Really?
Yeah, you can.
When you Bruno, there's someone who can come and blind us.
No. I know what I mean. Like, for example, no woman can tell me how to love my kids. What's the new work I will do? My kids now.
Okay.
No woman can tell me to stay, not to be focused on my business because then it up again.
Yes. All right.
I have experienced a lot of things. I have been through so many heartbreaks. Like, I don't have an alarm. There have been lessons. Lessons, you know.
I know how our hearts hurts like yo, nagem the bad them so this.
Maybe I'm no longer looking at the yara.
Nega so ina mo kasente.
Actually, tell my friend.
That's true.
No, that's the truth. I discovered especially for us men.
Yeah.
When you got money, you got things running.
Busy.
You be working.
Yeah.
Kati, ini gukura kubara, nokugenda nkwasaganya nyumba, nibaze mukono, nokebera ku bintu byange faabu. Ate mu bwaje ngondoze ku mutima, yorini yandikizo omutima. Abalu emyaka gyotukanga doesn't matter. Kula abantu bagamba mwana abasajja abali those busy men.
Yeah.
For example, ngoloza mbwaja misi.
First of all, abamwebuya bantu. Yes, abamwebuya bantu. Aina kujemo.
Do you think Bill Gates has the time for that? Elon Musk.
No.
He has thousands and thousands of people. He's employing.
Yes.
Once he loses focus, he's taking it.
Kuteka.
When something happens to a close family member or a friend.
Oh
Like
yeah.
a child, an
Oh,
auntie. See, Mbombo. Mbudori nasasira mbwano bye bwagenze bwafunye musajja omulala. Biruma.
Yes,
But
just have to
with
focus
the person
on
who
you.
has a lot of things on the table.
Yeah.
Omutima gw'omukazi gulumanga omwaka. That wouldn't lie.
Yeah.
Naye gwanuma mandi bubi.
Oli mwavu.
Omutima yakusanga oli mwavu olukwa.
Buluma.
Olekera okulya emmere. Okogga.
Yes.
Because you've been doing nothing, the only thing you're doing is thinking about
About
that.
that woman.
But right now, because if I've like a woman and she walks away, it will take me 2 weeks.
Then you move on. That's good.
Not moving on with another woman, but moving on with one of us.
But you know, when I get started, I go speak about it. I think I'm like, nah, it's meant to be one day. But you done it. Like,
Era bw'osanga omusajja nga omutima gumulumidde ebbanga ddene, just know you got nothing to do.
I got
Abeera alina ebyokukola bitono nnyo kuba talina ssente. Kuba abasajja balina ssente and they have things to do. They got no time to be there sobbing and crying for a woman.
for
No?
love.
As a man, you're supposed to know your worth. Yeah.
Bruno, we are the prize.
Women love, hey, who told you?
So you men are the prize?
It changed. It will actually come. We know that thing, you're cheap. Women these days have something you're preaching, which, and I love how boys will have the men, they are babus that what makes you think that a boy child is not a prize?
Because
You, for example, you found a man with a career, he's making money, he's okay, he's coming from a good family background. What makes you not think he's a prize? You also have to think of that. Good men are not everywhere. So if you meet one good man, he is the prize. Make it okay, one prize in the cover. And I preach to my brothers. I preach. No. I don't put any woman's value out there.
Because in my mind, now we should level up. And we
What I'm thinking is, we have had problems of women finding good men and they try to put them down. That's not right. Women out there, when you meet a good man, treat him right. Don't start treat that man like a prize. That's how you're not going to lose him. When you treat your man, it's the same way. Like if a man is giving you princess treatment, give him treatment. Like you send the same energy back. I mean, there are women who are funny. This guy is giving you princess treatment. But you're sending back negative energy to him.
Just because you know that he's worshiping his phone.
You can never meet two good people in this life.
Really?
If you lose that person once, yeah, you can never meet that same person twice. Yeah.
So speaking of working, like you need to build yourself with a woman, because this is how you men are preaching.
He said, I can invest in a woman.
Yes.
I can invest in a woman. But you look at business. Long side ago, now is recently. I choose some mindset here. You have he said it's not right to put a business together with a woman. And I think he was right. Once your woman knows your financial status, it kind of affects how she looks at you. How is she going to respect you? I think Honorable Munyago had his valid reasons and I support him. Oh, Jora abantu bona bagase business ne bakazi bawo. Zifu se mweti omukazi kasamanya nti Bruno ayinza ntwala abi. Danis naye atanzo yinza ntwala ana. Agina wagusa mwedo. So it's better you support her on the side alone to go better business. Dorina and Bruno, Dorina and Bruno Chia.
So you rather contribute a bit so that there's a future.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
And you know, I was Narinchi Wagiricho businesses, but until I listened to a senior honorable. I think he was right. When I listen to his points, he was right.
So friendships in relationships
Friendship?
in relationship?
Friendship as well.
As in relationship, then you invite your friends into that relationship. Whatever happens in your relationship, does that still stand?
Okay, as long as your friends are sensible.
But you need to tell them what is happening.
Because right now we have a lot of fake friends.
Oh yeah.
You need to look out for things like fake friends. Fake friends are gonna kugamba kubera na musajja. Fake friends are gonna kugamba bena na mukazi. Fake friend agena kwagala buli kirungi kyoyina. Dying good a man and woman. Chokola wesanga nti abawala abamu ayawukana n'omusajja n'asanga yali best friend after 6 months nga alina omusajja we. That's so wrong.
Yeah.
That's so wrong. But there are people who each ride or die. Well, for example, you and Vina Baby,
Yeah.
you can always share things because I've seen how far you guys have gone.
Yeah.
You trust each other, there is loyalty. I think the envious of everything. When everything good happens to you, that's when they start telling you negative things. So you're seeing everything right going on with that man, but only your friend is saying that. When everyone is saying, man, they don't do really well, and Hinga Yaoza, unless when I know that these women are reasonable, but that's middleman thing in a relationship is not good.
Fake products, but also message
I don't like small women.
Don't lose weight. No, you know whenever I find out, don't lose weight.
Okay, I have nothing against small women, but me as a person,
I know.
Like, so feel like I've been like,
no, I understand. Like,
yeah,
I know what you're saying.
that's me. And then there are men who like slender women. But it goes beyond that. It goes beyond. I like nze n'omukazi omweru abakazi abeeru nabo bantabula abawala abeeru abawala I don't know something about light women ekintabula
Go ahead and bleach.
yeah, there's something the cutting eyes ezokulya sente zange olaba sizigaba naye omukazi omweru ayinza sente zange nakuwa namutegedde. But it goes beyond that. It goes beyond okuba nti mweru. It goes beyond okuba nti ayina akabina n'abakazi b'akabina bankola kati byonna byenebyo kale just tunuulira Doreen omukazi nkola Doreen ampisa bubi
okujja kati ze kala nno nvuddemu ku lwa kala oyagala mweru
mwagala naye bwe nsanga ayinako kinaana ku byenjagala ebyakala
ebyakala obivaako
naye lwakuba ennaku zino nakyusa brains so very important. Do you know the beauty of dating a smart woman? A smart woman will challenge a curvaceous woman any day. You can be curvaceous and not enough brain. A smart woman will always beat you any day. So what I'm going to do, you back our sister, but a kagezi. Emikoro, egisinga wano. Mutunya bano guy.
Average girl.
Rose, she's smart.
Wow.
The
brains
beauty
matter
of dating a smart
woman.
And my fellow men will back me up on this. You can date Kavicious, Manya Butlicious, Mweru, Foreheady, Nebo Abatayina one. The day you get in touch with a smart woman,
that's the day.
because a smart woman is a woman who knows how to support her man.
Yeah.
She will know when to submit.
Yeah.
She will know when to listen. She will know when to advise her man.
Yeah.
She will protect you. Smart and God fearing. Yeah.
Dear men.
Yeah, so we going for smart women, God fearing women. That's it. And women that give us this. By the way, this is a trick.
Please, give me that trick.
Women, if you want to keep your man for long,
This in what sense?
mumanyidde ebintu byakavuyo waliwo abakazi kalinze naleetingako omuwala nga bamuyita nantalo. This chick we would be fine. Naye ng'ali mukufayo akatuyombya. Ng'awera watuddawo ndaba kuyombamu tewamu. Ate omukazi oyo nali baagala ddala. Like, I really love the chick. Naye kyatumyanga omutwe ku muwala oyo ddala. Twamalanga nakulya neebuuza tetunaba kuyomba. Like, there are women who don't want peace.
Ngalabe yo
Naagala abakazi abo abeeru abo. Baagala nnyo abawala abeeru naye tebaagala peace. Abakazi abeeru n'akavuyo.
Naye agamba tuyombera wa akantu akatono akantu owerabidde dda n'akakomyawo omwo.
Let me tell you, men love peace by the way.
Yeah.
Ujja osange omuntu ng'abidde n'omukazi. Yegambulayo, tatwange ng'apaati. Emirembe is not reacting. N'oyomba n'oyasayasa ebintu. Is learning how to control yourself in times of tension. Men love women who are collected in times of tension. Kyonkutte ndi mu bwenzi, tokuba buli kimu kyasa. But the next steps you take as a woman. Doreen, ojoweka okimanyi omukazi nzisukanye omusajja mugwenzi taatayasayasa mutaatambula n'aviira n'asiba ebintu bye n'amuviira omusajja n'ayona omukazi oledi omukutte mu bwenzi w'ekiri kati ne bw'oyasa ennyumba ne bw'oyokya ennyumba ne it's gonna change. What you need to do is collect yourself well and abantu njagala bagamba ekiti learn to compose yourself onyiizi
kwekiri kale ate bano lero leero nkweze ne Bruno after a long time enkuba blessings anyway those are blessings. So you're still telling us about Mikisa peace notugamanya watujja the other part kwa simanyo benkuba yateeka tebanga yakagize yakadistorties
one thing
omuwala gwali oyina one day long time ago nga ye wantalo.
I have dated
omuwala nga bita nantalo.
Okay, well, I just give that as an example.
I understand.
Like, I dated someone nga ye tazikiza. If we spend 4 days without having issues, without having fights, nga hawulira chimunyiga. Have you ever, like, my fellow men will testify. Tije bali abakazi abo nga yen bamwita nantalo. Tasobola kumala wiki nga temuyombye temukozeemu anonya n'akantu ak'ekisiru
n'akayombera olina okuwoza buli dakiika
ayinza okubuuza omanyi nga walibaleko n'omukazi nakubuuza ye leero esimu yo nga tebuze olwo n'alyoka ayagala buildingire ku kantu akatono bwe katyo
mutandike okuyomba
ye leero lwaki oyambadde engoye bwe zityo like
True.
So, women should know that men don't like those things.
And you talk about peace. Bruno, there's something I fail to understand about men wanting peace because women interpret it, probably they interpret it differently or rather at the end of the day.
No.
Peace. Bruno. Are you sure?
A man who loves you and you give him peace will always know how to respect you, how to protect you, and how not to disrespect you. He will know that Doreen twakanya by sawa mwenda nina okuba nga nzizeeyo waka. Bw'asusaamu ezo saawa ajja kuba unsettled. Ajja kumanya mukazi wange yangaze saawa sirina zisi because he loves you.
Yeah,
he
true.
Ekizibu kye tulina abantu beesiba mu relationship gye batabaagala.
Kyogereko. Desperate. Sometimes
why would desperate measures drive you to somebody who doesn't love you? Why?
I know.
You get. So genda gye bakwagala bakwebye mu musajja wange tagaba sente tagaba kubuzita kwagala. A man who loves you will always give you money. Yeah. So people should stop these things of yokwesiba ku bantu.
Utatanjagala mna itana sente. Musajja mna isimutegeera.
When you love a woman you will move mountains for that woman. You understand?
True.
But again, as a woman, also do not take granted a man who moves mountains for you. Manya wakazi wa Mungu yandi mwirabirao. I can do anything to him. He loves me. The day he will leave you, you will regret.
Yeah. Like, you know, in that relationship show, and most men keep telling me, these days, barely 2 months, I got jola beba zadebe, akubuza myambaga, kagambo chala di, anti mi kati minange, me, I'm tired, bamenye nye mitima no gaba nange, katoka tutuambule mpola.
Kwevuga speed kubi. Anti osanga omuntu ali mu sako Dorini bamuwasa gundi bamuwasa Kate bamuwasa ye kamusako nga yatali kumuwasa kati nga pressure gyaliko
nene
nti kati wakugwirako muganda wange bayina kwambaze ne temwevuga speed.
I know
not omuvuga speed.
I know.
Take it easy, take it slow. Yeah.
That advice bana bavuka ogende mukufuma nga haven't yet develop but ngatabana kufuna, you know, ngatebayiwe bali at these days like omuntu agenda mbufumbo simanyi abaga muno time is running. This is
what happens. It is also good to find, like for women, it's a blessing for you to find a man guy already is in babichiri.
I know.
But again, the beauty of growing with your man is amazing. Let me tell you.
Those memories.
You guys, this guy will always look up to you and be like, "Mwana, mkazi wange." Waliwo akayimba ka Honorable Rutaya akajimira ng'ayogera ku mukyala we Irene. Sekerera bata nti Irene atachansaana munsanze nevuga yansanga sirina n'akagaali. Those things mean a lot to men. Like even when you make it successfully, you be looking at nti tobane chiki wange man. Yeah.
So yatajjukira abeera musiro musajja.
Like it's good to come through the hustle with your man.
Yeah.
Though abakazi kati nabo bakowa okuzimba abasajja ne babadukako. Bazaganze nakowa.
Naga Bruno na mujja wala naye kati imagine oli kwa kuyembaga nzandese.
So,
I know.
But again, kingabe nagambye kiri nti omuntu omutachaya abantu bonna.
I know.
One man will do that to you, but doesn't mean that all men are like that.
Yeah, true.
You get. So kati wesanga nti bakazi kati bako ozimba abasajja babikowera
Bane.
bako utibaga ina.
Oh, era kwate nakam nedda ndikusanga.
Akaze tovuulya byakuzimba abasajja.
Tebagala.
Neze ndowooza. This is what I'm thinking. Guys, do not be scared to settle.
Okay.
Don't. Especially if you meet the right person.
That's a good one though.
If you meet the right person, don't be scared to settle with this person. Yeah. If this woman ticks all your boxes, if this man ticks all your boxes,
go with them.
If you feel like ono muntu soro beera naye for 10 years ngatantamye kubanga waliwo time relationship weva mu kubeera just nti mweyagala
nga you're tolerating yourself
okubeera mu nju emu n'oyo omuntu nga teri akooye kuba na munne. Yeah, if you find that someone will ask me like gwe atugamba bino are you settled, it's because
you've gone through those series.
If right now, let me tell you, Doreen, if I find a woman and she ticks all my boxes, I would settle with her.
Nice.
There's nothing I love like that. I've reached an age where I'm now looking at my prime, who am I going to be with?
Yep.
Nikale chikutisa is experiences empsem na abakazi. They have tormented me.
I know.
They have biased my decision making also. I know.
They have taken
because I'm
advantage
thinking
of your
is
good
this one is also going to hurt me.
No, that's when they keep asking me.
And then some people be like, sympathy. It's not sympathy, man. They're just
right?
they're just people who just end up landing on wrong people.
True. Yet you're a good person.
And you just don't know where was mukama no gamba. Why is it? Maybe it's a lesson that God is trying to teach you. I don't know. Now it reaches the time more to no kowa. No gamumanyi. Sane umuliro.
Yes.
Whatever comes my way, katonda yamanyi. So I'm that kind of person. You get.
So nkutegedde. But and nange Bruno nachoke sana na kwa okuddamu ekibuuzo nti why are you still single? Someone will not understand. They take advantage of my kindness and my love. Kati nze my problem is bwe ngwa mulavu ngwamu nzenna.
Doing now.
I don't.
Ate nobuzibu bwange kati. I know my value and worth.
Ooh, I love that word.
For example,
I wish people know that.
I don't have the energy to chase. Bwe nkuwa 70% of my gagoza 640. Anything less than my energy, I walk away.
Energies have to be matched. Nange, in my head, I'm like, you know what?
Doreen, I'm in my 30s. I don't have time to cool down like as if I'm in high school love.
Ate miyenza simanyi kuba masibu. Ate nze mbera lezi.
I don't have time for drama. I don't have time to argue with a woman.
I know.
Like, if I say sorry to you and you keep dragging that same thing, I don't... Sagara chintu chimala komide. Sagara. I mean, I'm at that like I don't know if there are people like me your first three things okoi sagala nakuya mukaza yomba mkumpi like next to me like yo
uyabaga abakazi bayomba but not everyone though
because I've been through stuff like you. I don't want.
I know
you get era omukazi banne omukazi omusirifu ogenda kulya sente zange weta
Bruno kanjeruke.
No, see, I'm saying
Auntie Kanjeruke
a silent woman.
I know, I can practice that.
Because like my previous relationships,
yeah.
I've introduced people to my life who don't even understand my profession. Usanga intimidated by your female fans.
Oh.
These are just my fans. You are the woman I love. You're the woman I call.
Yeah.
You're the woman who says, come and see me, I come and see you.
Wow.
And you're intimidated by the female fans.
Fun? That's a good one.
You're intimidated by Doreen. So what? But I love you. You're the person I love. I hate insecure partners.
I know.
Check it out.
That's the word.
I hate insecure partners. I love you. I'm showing you that I love you, but you're still showing me that like what profession am I doing? What am I into?
Right.
Is a Doreen nayagalako omuntu, you can imagine. And this person, we ended the relationship because I did charity.
Really?
We are finding charity as a problem.
Oh my God.
That's when I discovered that sometimes we're not meant to be
But
with
they are
them.
wrong people.
Because I'm a person who loves doing charity.
Yeah.
And you're a woman who doesn't like charity. Ye nga alaba charity ngebe ekisirusiru we yangamba nga bine bintu byekisirusiru. Like one time I went for charity.
Wow.
Nga sirina simu yange because we took na charity.
Obozunga
ositula ebintu okola biki. Nensangako messages za nakyala nga 10. How do you take 20 minutes without replying my messages? Namala nas deleting. Doreen. And this goes out to partners out there.
Yeah.
Why are you too entitled to that bit? Do you think that my whole life lies on
revolves around you? Like I'm not
only
supposed to
you?
have my own life. Yeah.
Now you can but charity. Because I'm a person who, when I love a woman, I will communicate. I will let you know.
I love people who communicate.
I will let you know that they don't get a Doreen Asasra for 1 hour and to interview.
Yeah.
Kati go on kubire simu mutai mungani mkola interview Doreen. I didn't know tanko I've been with people like that. Watch it to sim, but I've told you I'm
gonna be doing this. Yes.
You get what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes.
So I've been with people like that. No mugama kusama musamu gina bira mu bank. Or maybe some gina bira meeting with Doreen to gonna discuss, but the meeting will take 30 minutes. Nga wakava naye nga wakatuka ne Doreen atandika okukuba simu. Anoonya nti lutalo ebyo byenkugamba.
Naganga tokutte.
So this chick sent me messages like omara oti simanye dakika 2 nga tozze message yange. But I was doing charity. I explained to her. Ebyo bintu bye ekisiru ebyo byoza binsinga. I discovered that this is
wrong.
You get.
Nanga benda ba energies off mna sikyagala ko siba ku bantu nkulekerayo nkwagalira bwala ngamba that's okay.
Kachegera.
Yeah. Kati Bruno oyogede kucho kuyamba abantu. I see you do it a lot. Many abantu disappointing. How are you benefiting in it?
I'm blessed.
Wow.
God blesses me.
Nice.
It's the reason why people be wondering, because there are people who have helped that pray for me.
Wow.
And they make sure that they tell God that may he see a good life, may he never lack. So I don't do charity to be paid. Maybe I'm paving a way for my kids, for my grandkids, for my future. But Doreen, I am blessed.
Nice.
There's no single time that God has failed to bless me.
Wow.
Zikatonda Doreen I name to be anzijamu nga wallahi tsingate yabadde katonda nabadde sengeri gye nkivamu. But do you know why? It's because he knows that I go on the line for others.
I've seen you.
Even with the little I have. However, charity, what should I call it? Drains energy. Recently I was talking to Honorable Mohammed in Serebra. Bruno, take care of yourself. Like when you overdrain yourself in post problems, it's going to stress you emotionally.
Yes, it will drain you.
It's going to take time, like it's going to stress you because oyina tuka time to sola yamba muntu Doreen abantu bakubira nagamba no mwana wanga ine kizibu ekitinjagala million 2 nenga mazima to million 2 zigenda vawa Doreen.
Zijawa. Bolo wena kula
recently. Ngane wo sazewo mukolera ba live.
Live tazigenda wela.
Zigenda wela. So gena vawa ngo onyigide.
Nakula ba some weeks back.
Do you know how many women are in my inbox telling me like, I can't help all of you, man. I can't.
Something I wanted to ask.
Later, even me, my followers will get tired of me. I can't keep bringing to them problems
all the time. Thank you.
You get, they'll be like, on your channel, you know, guy, man, yeah, visible.
Yeah, visible.
So, it's towards me to help them. When Hugamanti, so called in them katono, I am overwhelmed chimanyi bambi siganye buganye ninange manyanti wozze waliwo abantu balanga 10
ngaba pendings
they will know how to come to my bar na kutulirira nzize entambula nga akaaba nononya transport ezokumuwa omugala ne simanyi ngena kukolera
banange
era mulimu n'abatasiima
definitely nakulabira oyogera luli ngamba bambi Bruno
mulimu abatasiima
banoga mwana wala mpita nga sagala kuyamba. But again,
it's true. Abantu abatasiima abo, they will never make us stop helping people. It's the same thing. If you meet somebody who breaks your heart, they cannot make you hate love. You have to keep loving until you meet the right person. It's the same thing with helping. Because somebody else has disappointed doesn't change your personality and who you are. You just have to keep helping.
Okay, so that's what I was asking. Does I'm taking the answer? Jabagambye. Atufuna mbwatyo. Blessings. Kakati about your career, many people are thinking they're like, Bruno, endaku zino chira kakati music alinga hobby. Like it's like kati your energy is driven on this other side of the burn out chibozi bozi.
No, kati sichata buti music for kuta.
Okay.
I release a song that's gonna work. I have a song with Cindy. It has been there for a month.
I saw, yeah.
It has over 700k views on YouTube. It's doing good.
Lovely.
It's trending on other social media platforms and on ground.
Yes, it's a nice song.
So they should wait for my next song. Sichata butibu for just releasing. One, this music industry, the music business needs money. And where does the money come from?
Oh,
You need to work.
you need to work.
That's why you see that I am doing this and that and that and this and that to invest in a project. My music simwa, like people be thinking. So it's just a matter of getting a song out, releasing it. There have to be budgets for this song.
Yeah.
Promotional budget. Then even pitching music. Abantu abali mu music distribution, but you know what they call pitching. You need to pitch for playlists.
Wow.
Spotify playlists.
Wow.
YouTube playlists. iTunes playlists. You pitch everything you know bisasulira. You get. So tojja kujja luyimba ngo ina budget ya million 5. It may not work.
It doesn't make sense. Yeah.
Jujja ba mukisa katondo kuyamba nti maybe we say ku TikTok or babichi, but that's not how stuff works. Not every time you'll be lucky.
Yeah.
So when you see me releasing a song, mba ntadde. I am working, they should know. Katolimba ngine sindi bade chakula bulungi. Watching to oluyimba olulala ni bogereko. Yeah, so I'll release music, I think probably next month. I mean, that's the reason why you haven't even seen Cindy herself release a song.
Yeah, true.
So if the person I did a song with has not yet released, she's respecting our collaboration, it's still moving. Lwaki wagala kuteka ku pressure music?
You not about ku pressure.
No. Sichakula anza ku pressure abantu doreni.
I know.
No.
Bako sense of it.
They can say whatever they want. Only I know my plans. And those real fans who understand me know my plans.
Don't understand.
Yeah.
Do you agree with some artists who are saying that the music industry is dead? It's no longer like, it's dead literally.
No, the music industry is not dead.
Why do they say
They
it's
are
dead?
just choosing to listen to artists who give them mediocre music. Listen to those guys.
Yes.
So many kids underground who sing good music.
True.
There's so many artists singing good music.
True.
Obawama too. The Chosen Beckies are singing good music. The Remas are singing good music.
And,
B2C's Tracy Melon.
Yeah. Bruno K.
The Bruno K's are singing good music. The Cindy's.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you go
And
for
so many more other artists are singing good music.
Yeah. Bagana ku bubblegum music.
Everybody Lil Puzzle bayimba good music. Listen to the Lil Puzzles. Ekibusula kigana genda ulize Tracy Melon.
Wekigana jago kubiguoma.
So you are just listen. You are listening to bad music.
Yeah.
And you're blaming it on people who are singing good music.
Singing good music.
Look for the good music. It's there in the
Appreciate.
market.
Yeah.
Yes. Mwagala nnyo ebyangu ennaku zino.
I know.
Kasa kibanga kirina beat.
Nga
Yeah. So stop putting that on the music industry. There are acidic vocals, abana bayimba music. Liam voice. Unknown. These guys all have good music. Why are you saying the music industry is dead? You're choosing to listen to bad music.
They have good voices and good music. What's your take on copyright law?
Copyright law, I mean, we're happy for it. I mean, big shout outs to Eddie Kenzo and the Federation for the effort they put in place. The honorables who started it by Hilderman. Manyibambi bila nyo Hilderman, but he's the gweba okwasa bill eyo n'abitandikako. Bakuba kukiguseera kyagukibwa tulina honorables bangi bitwebaza abadde mu jjani eyo. Honorable Nyamtoro naye agibaddemu n'abalala bangi. Yes. Deputy Speaker naye yagirimu. Bantu bangi. Yes. Attorney General bonna babadde mu kintu ekyo. But what do I know about, I'm happy for it. Now people are it's now going to take an effort of Dorino okusasulira oluyimba lw'omuntu. Lulina okuba nga luli worth it. It's also going to improve on the quality of music that people are listening to. I think I'm happy.
That's nice.
Tokena kuyimbira abantu biyita kuba omuntu akyo nti wanayimbe ebiyitawo bisi agenda kusasula. So it's now going to go back to creativity.
Nice. Not just singing because you want to sing.
But also financially it's going to help. Like,
I've heard.
I mean,
but I Nendoza bajja kusomesa n'abatawatana kitegeera because the artist
Yeah.
That's good.
But the federation is doing its job to sensitize people about copyright law. And they're doing quite a good job. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kati the business, how is it? I was there at that time.
Man,
Let me tell you, I loved the oh man, there's something about those old classic songs. They're timeless. Nenda babantu kabimidde bazina. I loved nebazanya Chance na Lubega. I was like, whoa.
Enyimbe nkalimwana zileta memories. However, business gezaako kunetira.
Nakulaba recently wabakwata meanwhile. You said there were people who came in the bar and you even put it on your social media platforms.
Yeah, I did. I felt like it was unfair to me, like how they came. When you come to my bar to raid it, identify yourself.
Okay.
Kimbulira nze gundi nzize kola wenti ne. Naye oli mukutwala bintu byange tombulira gwani twagala ku identifying. That's more like you're hiding something.
Yes.
And this I would like to tell my fans. I've had threats like
for real.
Yeah, like people, somebody oyo guy yemanya akulira ekikwekweta ekimu ayina guy gwe yagambye mukwano gwange oyo Bruno ke tuli mu planning la lukwe lwa kumusiba. Well and good, if that happens nze sina kintu kyentya Dorina as long as I know that Katonda ajja kinsomosa.
Yeah, amen.
You get, because you want to shut me up because I try to raise
to raise your voice.
Yeah, so there's a guy akulira committee okulira committee emu olimu nawulidde watumye abantu mbu oli mu kuplanningira lukwe lwako nsiba oli mu KCCA. But this my fans should know, if anything, if you wake up any day nemusanga no so kundaba mujja kundaba nemusanga maybe baze kubala bankutte byekisiru
nga tumanya is
that guy koti ya KCCA simanya bambansa, just know waliwo guy and I already know about it. I was told. You get, I was told. Era that time I want mukubenga video eno era temudanga watedoli mutegedde kati mukitegedde. I know that guy. Department ya mesija jogera kamba we mu respect muloze naye muli mu comploting era nti mwagala kundukira lukwe lwako nsiba. You guys are in KCCA. There's that crew abantu abo benayogerako ne babossi babo babali maaso bagamba nti watulabisa yatulabisa oyo guy tuyino mulukiro olukwe lw'okumusiba. That's it. So business eri mu challenges. Abo bonna banibaba nga balina obubala tebanjagala. Because they feel like people are coming to my bar to support it. That's a 3.
Because to have our close it about ngakusamudana nga bantu bachali. Man,
okumenya business is challenging now. Businesses thriving like music. Abatami batsamuka bayagala okuba music.
Nabala banga bazina.
Ate kizimbe ko tuli kuli apartment waggulu. Tuyagala kulekaanyiza abantu. Our landlord is a very good man bambi musajja watu. Nene atuka nasobera ayagala kukusanyusa ayagala osanyusa abali waggulu.
Ne batenancy.
Nede bujje maaso yonyinzo choose location because I want the business to work.
Yeah, true.
Era wabayo omuntu eyo ngwena location yakabye Ebbaala around Kyanja koma Mboga Kisasi. You can reach out to me. Location eyo nayo njitunnem because nange wendi awo nawo.
Okay, I know.
Kumane kwa ni business yonga abantu wakufukide ekizibu. Oli akube simu ona akube simu abo Ebbaala bakubira ba KCCA simanya business engeza abo kunetira but abana Uganda njaga bebaza wampagidde.
Oh yes.
People, you saw what happened on Saturday.
I came on Saturday and I love it.
The place was full.
Very full.
For a small kebab, people could use that way to, you know.
Full. It was nice.
And
it was full.
And I love it that even ne charm forcing and no increasing a workforce young. Ebbaala nange lisinga abawala abalungi.
Nabalaba.
Era gwe oyagala abawala abalungi. Jangu ali kugundi kukoma Mboga awo ku Hano Lounge. Olabe ebyana ebifaanana nga Dori.
Nalaba bashisha boys nga bawanvu. So ladies.
Nayenga, I have nothing against KCCA.
Yeah.
You guys who are plotting to arrest me, your department mwemanyi. Yeah. I'm not a bad person. What I raised was an issue is why do you come to my bar and you don't want to introduce yourself?
Introduce yourself.
So you are plotting. But what are we doing? When you fail, yeah. But during when some omuntu wabaina cha planning, Tulina abantu bangi abatumanyi mu departments bakubira. Ane Doreen waliwo n'abantu abagala okukwata mugundi. You are right.
Yeah.
But wako information.
Yes.
So somebody informed me about this guy. There's a guy, you are heading a certain department. Jemwatu mo kujja okuntwalako ebintu byange. Oli muji heading, you're plotting my arrest. Ogamba nti tuli mu mulukiro Olukwe. If anything, if I wake up one day, nemusanga nti waliwo aba KCCA abaze maybe ne bankwata. Manyi KCCA mbwe ine koti yayo. Olukwata bakuteeka mu kooti, they use that advantage. Mbo bakwata bakuteeka mu kooti yawe ne bakusomera omusango, they remand you. If anything like that ever happens, I want my fans to know. Wow. There is a guy and
KCCA.
Yes, uploading abino.
Wow.
Mwaba bakulira ebintu ebyokolagana n'okuleeka na smile noise bichi.
Noise pollution.
Yeah. So I know kano kajja mutukako naye. Nze sikuinaako buzibu blood wange, but I know that I know your plot.
There's a plot.
Yes, I know your plot and what you're planning. Yeah.
And about we're almost getting done with this. Like neighbor wasenguka. Ba neighbor mbuto wange.
Nedda. Muna ina kizuula. Ba neighbor bange bajja ne bangamba. Waliwo ekiwala ku nyumba yaffe. Kyasenguka n'osenguka.
Bruno, sister.
Waliwo ekiwala. Kiwala gwe balyoka ne bakugoba landlord yakugoba.
Kyali kiwala kimu. Zerani manyi the whole ganged up. Nenga bakati.
It wasn't all of them. Bambi Abalwanyisa, they came and told me we don't have any problem with you, by the way. They did tell me. However, waliwo ekiwala ekyakubiranga landlord wange simu n'ennyumba kyazivaako. Landlord yakigoba. Balyoka ne bakugoba kiwala gwe. Waliwo ndeetako olugezigezi. Olaba Doreen wobeerawo ng'oyagala omuntu bamukola ekintu.
Ate gwe kikutuukako.
Kachiringa ngoyo gayi wa KCCA alimu ku plotingira. Olaba nga tunaba ku plotingira ku Musiba ebyo byo plotinga. Gogo bagenda okusoka goba mu office. Katonda bwatu wakola. Ekiwala kiri kyakubira landlord wange simu. Bunkirekanira. Sikola nko kintu kyonna. Sina shogera nawe. Omuntu ajaga nti wakikwana mukazi mufumbo simukwana nko sikumanyi. Wera n'omusajjawo. Ona atulekanira. Nina manya ne bakigoba ku nyumba. Kyakola landlord ekibi n'akigoba. Tolaba. Wali yagala bangobe gwe go basoko.
Kama.
Oshigira. Kati I made peace with my neighbors.
So neighbors, we are fine now.
Bali okekiwali ne bakigoba. Kyali kifukidde ekizi.
Bali okane bakugoba. Omanyi bane neighbors nafe batufuukira obuze nkuteekera. That's why. Taka nyi neighbors bangi. Nange I've ganged up with Bruno.
So that's it. You can be plotting something bad for someone.
Nenga ate mukama.
Katula boli yala yagala bangobe ku nyumba.
Yes.
Bayininga mugayego bagobye. Kama is a bitch.
Yes, it is.
That same guy in KCCA who is plotting for my arrest.
You never know what will happen tomorrow.
Tomorrow they're going to replace you in office before you even plot something against, because God knows.
Exactly. He knows and he sees someone's heart.
Yeah.
Alaba.
So kyekyo ensi temugiteekako nnyo maanyi temuteeka mbeera ku bannammwe.
I know.
Oyinza okwagala bagobe Doreen ku mulimu. Enkera ne bakera nga gwe
bagoba. Kyebannange munayiseekooya.
So munnange yali omuntu omu yakubanga essimu n'amala ku landlord emirembe.
Kati ffe twali tumanyi kikomera kiramba kiri ku Bruno.
We nabuuza landlady wange. Who is calling? Kati because ayagala protecting a tenant, ayagala tuleete obuvuyo. Yangamba, okay. I think it's all of them. Naye namanya kyali kiwala gwe balyoka ne bakugoba gwe bali kugenda.
Walioka. Lukusaidia Bruno. We have to gang up.
Kina abantu bakimanye. You know, no one has ever won a battle against me.
But no one.
Gwe noonyayo buli muntu agezaako okunteekamu olugalo bw'ati.
Bigana.
Gye bifundikira.
Nze waliwo yajjago before nagenda okulaba nga after 2 weeks biri mu mawulire. Nengamba Bruno nkimanyi fighter ajja kuba bulungi. Era ne bisirika. Ng'obudde obusibuyina zibone sina maanyi ago. Nagamba nenda mmwe muyina ebitawanya.
Teri muntu yali awangudde battle against me because why?
Abantu babera n'ennugu.
Because Katonda nange abannwanira.
I know.
So kati neighbor wange bani nakola peace, I made peace with my neighbors. Bambi video bagifuna. Ne bangamba video bagifuna. Ne bangamba munaye otwetikira bwerere. Ife tukuina kuwadera akazi.
Ate tunyigira ba neighbor.
Ate bobe bangamba oli. Nti oli. Kuba bali babuuliddeko oli. Ekirungi ngendo keberanga oli bamugoba. Wali onkane bakugoba.
Just no finally tunyigira ba neighbor ba Bruno. Era ngambe no kikubuuza leero bannange tuli kuki. But like the last question from me, social media.
Yeah.
What is happening? Like a lot of pressure on social media. Pressure.
Abantu social media.
Pressure.
This one goes to my future wife. Sirina unakurengenda kupostinga.
Bruno.
Ojja kusigala mu gallery because there is the worst mistake you can ever make is posting the person you love. Pressure yotojja gisobola. Laba couples zonna ezepostinze oba ziri bulungi zirina ebizibu zibonaabona zirina ennaku zirina entalo teziggwa
fena tubatunulira
bwe something they call an evil eye.
Yeah,
people should also believe in that.
Yeah,
abantu abo tebaagaliza ojja postinga omusajja wo mulungi mukazi wo mulungi abantu bakukolimire relationship ya muteja but abantu nga bakolima mu comment section it will end in tears. Wallahi tears zijja kujja.
Oli najja ekintu kyokola 5 years back na kireta onokola
omuntu woto mujja mu gallery
musigazeeyo
temwepikapika kupostinga abantu. Ate social media tebatwalira ku pressure. Live within your means.
I see people making a lot of mistakes.
Guys, live within your means. That stupid competition doesn't make sense. Kati nze kankule Dorin navuga akamotoka kangala katono
kajukira bulungi nnyo.
But nobody knew that I was building.
Okay, yeah. They also didn't know.
No.
At least wangamba
my friend Puzzle knew.
Bambi.
Puzzle yali akimanyi and a few people.
At least wangamba ebya farming. Twali tukola wali ekyo nenkitegera.
So Puzzle yali akimanyi and other few people. But I can be living nga bintu byenganze ngandaba nti okufuna emmotoka ennene tekingaza n'okubaako n'obuzigo.
Yeah, true.
So people have goals in life. Temweteka ku pressure tewevuga. Kubanga olaba nti basekeranga nnyo akamotoka kange then eventually God said
made a way.
Kabamuwe emmotoka.
I know.
And just like that in one night. Ngeri manya gange gwamanyi byonna byogere.
Right.
The card is in my name.
Names.
Kati gwamanyi.
Wabagisonda. It's his car.
And that happened in one night.
Exactly. I remember that live.
And that's a blessing. Yes, it was a gift from my people who care about me. Nga Mama Fina, Amini, and a few other people. Like
kuku na yeye
kurokwagaliza ani anko kasuku.
Uncle Kuku, yes.
So kati gwamanyi okuyobe gwamanyi the car is in my names.
And it says.
So kino kyengamba balenzi tewevuga ku speed. Things are going to happen to you at the right time.
Yeah, true.
During naperako nankolabye napangisa akazigo ka mitwalo 2.
Okay.
I had already broken through mvude mu Airtel Trace. Ninga people used to mock me osulote nankolabye and I told people I will not shift to a house na swa gisasula.
Webale. But just because
and then 2020 that's when I moved to Chanja because I was ready to move to Chanja. So to speed. About do you know how many people mocked me to stay in Nankolabi?
Yeah?
Oh yo, osulote nankolabye, oberete nankolabye. Life is about steps. Tewevuga speed. That's what I'm telling guys out there. Don't stereotype speed.
Jembera nzekata I'm very comfortable. Just that we're I'm like yeah, because I stay alone. Like the house is very big, very like I love it.
Why would you have a house wasasula rent that is the rent is 70%
of what you earn?
It doesn't make sense.
Pressure all the time. Rent 1.5 you earn like 500.
What you take away pressure now, you know, it doesn't make sense. Do you make that money?
That lifestyle.
You
no
get.
Dakumoto kato jisobola mbu you want to show off. Zenange seko ya nansi.
You've gotten yourself a new ndabika squavuga Benz. Now you know duka mu bond no forget no fune chibenze ekikadde nga tate si mpyange yakasuku. No fune chibenze ekikadde. No lokona niko piri mpya no kubona bona n'ekimotoka.
No bona n'ekimotoka. I know, right?
Nalimba deko n'ekimotoka ky'aba Germany ekikadde ndeka.
Nga yagala kweraga.
Ali siva kubizu. Emotoka lumu yagenda n'esala speed.
Mama.
Never from 100 ninja n'eyingira 10 ng'etambulira awo. Banana. So the youths out there use social media for positivity also.
Positivity.
Like you see what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing? Change people's lives.
Changing lives.
Or you're not following Nene. Use people's lives. I mean, use your following to better your life, change your life.
Change your life.
Kola obulango, choose obulamu bw'abantu, do charity. You're using your influence to abuse others, hurt other people. You're misusing your
Bruno mbera walimbala banengane bali
like
tuli kuchi
obero misusing agundi chance eyo mukama jakuwadde
no judging aze mbera batuna nenga balero mwe
and also stop being toxic.
I know
abantu ba social media mulinyo toxic.
Do you know they send people into depression because of that?
Like muno na postinga mama we no vuma mama we no musewalabula wakati waliwo ekigenda okwogera mu comment section wacho postinga mama omuntu jeka akajanja n'obusiru. I have reasons because I'm keeping my memories maybe there. Maybe someday I would have chance. God forbid November, your kids can download these videos.
Hey, my mom used to look like this. Exactly. Photo album.
We are not posting for you people to make judgments on our parents. No?
And not everything posting. Scroll. If you're not happy, scroll. Don't like it, just scroll. Maybe that's what I do. Wait, you're pregnant.
So, mukulekera projecting frustrations ku bantu abalala. Omuntu oli frustrated. Munyigira munno. Banne wakula bubi. No. Tabasoko kuba comment ezo. Ogenda mukomerako ng'alinganga dduulu. Omanyi dduulu ogimanyi dduulu.
Je twakolanga bwe batingo ozanya ngali round bwas.
Go check the people who comment negatively on people's things.
They are
bafananga bebaagala switch kamotoka dduulu.
Mboswiti kamotoka. Balinga baluni, balinga pipa.
Doreen, you can never find chomwala afananga gwe nga afana bulungi.
Demeaning someone. Labanno bwafana.
Comment ebyo bivera mu buntu nga mukwano gwepaza abuyite obuyiringu.
Buyiringu bwennyini mbunamukadde. Leero ng'okadde. Leero ng'oyambadde bunoga
malamu. Abantu abasinga teka bikomenti ebyo ekisiru ku post z'abantu. Babira nagafananyi ataddeko Bukayo Saka, Bruno Fernandes. You even have low self-esteem. You can't post your picture. You're hiding in a fake account.
Fake account, right? Nuggets chayagala banange the last one for me abawala bagambe balekirawo. Ate wachogera. Get wotega Bruno omwana lishageza nti nongenda kwagala. I'm still getting those things in my inbox. Atenga bagala bayambeko. My kid agenza kusomero mbayina muno. Mwana tayagenza kusomero kata msingle mother of 2. Babi nyambako. But I'm like, how old are you? I'm 23. I'm like, kama katonda. There's something in that. Bwe muo mwana mufunye bwe muo mwana onomusajja agenda kunda
video. This is what I usually tell these girls and they end up saying this is I'm going to tell you the bitter truth.
Yes.
If you're not ready to be a mom, do not open your legs to have unprotected sex.
Yeah.
The same thing with men. If you're not ready to be a dad, don't have unprotected sex with somebody. Now, women, stop this burden of responsibility of olubuto n'okuleeta omwana ku nsi y'abantu babiri. Mulekera okwesiba ku basajja bokka. Gwe lwaki wamukkiriza akulye nga tayambadde condom? It's a two-way thing.
Kazibe kapo yagamba kyawandikibwa wanti no omwana nzali nomulabira ng'omusajja. No.
Looking after a kid is a responsibility of two people. Listen, it's a responsibility of two people. However, the biggest responsibility is for us men.
Musajja, exactly.
Yes. Bwenkera n'ensasula fees, gula socks z'omwana wo. Kikujjako, kibuwo. Stop being funny.
I know.
Omwana waffe, si omwana wange, omwana waffe. You get it. So this goes out to women out there.
Yeah.
A kid will never trap a man to love you. Do not make that funny mistake. Then goes to these women. Jagala kuzala bana balungi. That's not how you choose a father of a kid. No.
Bruno is handsome.
It's so wrong. It's so wrong. It is so wrong.
Thank God you brought that up.
Think about this man. Can he provide?
Yeah.
Is he ready to be a dad?
Yeah.
Does he want this kid?
Nice.
Not these things of mbe muwavu nchamuzaala oyo wanja siswana mira piro.
I know.
Like you are making the wrong decision. And you see katikati bano bajja kasamba bagala okumvuma abona, but they don't want the truth. And it's the truth.
But no one has ever even say that.
Listen, do not decide to choose the right, make the right decisions. Ngagwe mama, it's in your hands to choose the right father for your child.
Yeah, true.
What you
good.
Say,
oh my God.
What does it make sense or you kuwa n'omwana omulungi nga taata we
ali dance
tamufaako
deadbeat dad gali eyo tagana kumanya nti omwana gyali.
You get.
That's a good
one. Mumanyira nnyo abasajja abampi. And I tell you, short men are the most romantic men.
Oh, Paulette.
No, I will repeat this. Ndakikugamba nakigamba.
Wachingamba
Mlekerao kuyise gari mbasajja bampi.
They are the most romantic.
They are very romantic. If you want longevity in a relationship, go for a short man. They are very, very loyal.
So Bruno start looking for short men.
Uno wakujana kwana tembazalawa mbaisa munyigali abasajja bampi. You get mbaisa munyigali. Ndori na enkura ngo isa mukubasajja bampi gali. But they are not bad people.
You're trying to trick my mind.
Oh, basajja bampi bali loyal dori. Namkwano gwanga ina kasajja kakampi bali nako 20 years.
Oh really?
Yeah, bali loyal.
Short men.
They are keepers.
The cameraman is even laughing.
So mulekerawe byebintu simanya me I don't date short men. I don't date men who don't have a long forehead. So stop that nonsense. Choose a man based on omusajja ono bambi, by the way, nti ali he's a responsible
man.
He's ready to be my man. He's ready to be the father of my kids. Those are things you're supposed to look at. See, oh, the guy has a good beard. No muzaram.
Oh, the guy is tall. Oh, the guy is handsome. Hey, me try Gino. Bruno, thank you so much.
Man, can't come now.
I know. Together with Kuchibozi, by the way, on Monday, Jabba joining later. But thank you so much for what you're doing. I love that Chibozi thing. We're always been the Moku Genda Kong and the studio.
Little to Kulin's at Kuala.
Jabba joining a turn. Thank you, Bruno.
Yeah.
And thank you for looking good.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple,